Welcome back. I just want to talk to you for a few minutes, my family here on YouTube, and tell you about what happened to me just recently. I went down to the east side of Houston to an RV park that I've been going there with my camper and stuff for probably 16 years off and on. I never had a problem. They love me. So I thought. Well, I showed up with my shuttle bus and my conversion, and they wouldn't let me in. Now, I understand it's primer gray, but it's clean, and you should see some of the stuff that's in this park. Okay, I'm not putting anybody's rigs down or their campers down, but there's some real trashy shit in there. All right, and they got a new section in the back that they put on, and that's for the nicer campers. I wasn't asking to go back to the new section with all the fancy campers. I just wanted a space because I'm working near there. Well, they wouldn't let me in. They had me send pictures in, and they sent that to the general manager. And here's the funny thing. I've been there before in the bus, just like it was now, and they let me in. I stayed there for a week. No problems, okay? And I was right there in the front. And anyway, so I want to know, have you ever been profiled with your rig, with your Skoolie, your van? This is the first time that I've been to an RV park and they profiled you, against, it's a homemade. I told them it was licensed and registered as a Class C RV, all right? It didn't have no window units hanging out. No, I don't got no pets. I don't got any kids. I ain't got nothing, just me and my bus, okay? But they wouldn't let me in. But the good news is there's an RV park right down the road. This is a really nice park, a resort, and they didn't have any problem. They knew me. They remember me for all the years I've been there, and with my campers, and not a problem. Come on in. They're even cheaper than the other park. So I'm just wondering, have you ever had that problem? Do you see any reason why? I mean, I don't play no loud music. I don't keep anything outside of my rig, stored underneath, stacked on top, nothing, okay? Got my generator box here, and it's attached to the rig, all right? So let me know in the comments section, what do you think? I think there might be some trashy van life, bus life, Skoolie people that are just not considerate of the area they're camping in, whether it be in the BLM lands, the National Forest, out in the desert, or in the city. So I'd just like to say, please clean up after yourself. Practice good etiquette, good character, good morals, because every time you go somewhere, you are representing a community of probably 500,000 to 1 million people all over the world. And what you do in an RV park with your rig, whether it's a Class A, Class C, Class B, motor, it doesn't matter. Be good to your surroundings. Be good to other people. Make a good image for van life, for Skoolies. All right? So y'all keep it happy. Y'all keep it safe, because this is a free-range Nomad, and you never know what's going to happen next. See ya.